Good morning, student. Today I am going to show you how to match. Match means how to count. First you know how to count the objects very well. You count the objects and match with the numbers. What do you mean by match? It's matching the numbers with the pictures. I will show you how to do it. Okay. First I will draw the things. According to this side, one side picture will be there and one side the numbers. You have to just match the pictures with the numbers. Okay. See. Suppose I'm just drawing the pictures. Just see. 5. Draw 5. Thing is here we have to match these pictures with the numbers. Here's one side number is given 3, 6, 4, 2, 1, 5 and one side pictures is given. You have to count these pictures. You have to count. You know how to count this. You have to just count it and we have to match. Match means I will show you how to match the things. Okay. This is, see the first one. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are there. We have to find where is 6 written. Here where is 6? Here. Here it is 6. So how we will match? You will match like this. You have to match 6, 6. This object is also 6 and this number is also 6. This is the count the objects with the numbers. As you know the counting very well, you have understand how to count objects. I have shown you in online classes also, and you have to just this time match the following, match the object with the numbers. Okay. So second one is 1, 2, 3. You have to count this thing. Count the pictures. 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. So where is 3? There. You have to just match this. Like you have to draw one line up to 3. Okay. After that, see only 1. How many apples? Only one apple is there. So where is one? Here is one. You have to just from here draw one line up to 1. Okay. Then see, this is star. You have to count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 is there. Where is 5 written? 4, 2. Here is 5. So you have to just draw one line up to 5. And okay. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Where is 4? There is 4. You have to just draw one line up to 4. And here, how many are there? Pictures? 1, 2. Where is 2? There it is 2. You have to just draw one line up to 2. Okay. See how I match the things. This is called the matching. This is called matching. You have to count the pictures and match the following. How many pictures are there? You see the numbers that side and you have to match. How you will match? You have to draw one line and like this way you have to match. I have given the work in your copy. Done, do it. Okay. This is called match the pictures with the number. That's why every day I am telling about, I will show you objects and count the objects. Okay. See again. Count the pictures and with the pictures you have to match the numbers. Okay. This is okay. And after that I will show you how to write 23 and 24. As you know, you have written up to 20. Very well done. Student, your writing is very good. All are writing very well. Very good. Nicely maintain the box and write. So you know how to write 2 and see, I will not draw today the big one because I will show you how to just write in box. Just write in box the number 21 to 30. 21 to up to 25 you see. Up to 25 you see. I will start from 2, 1, 21. I will start from 2. All of you maintain this box. All of you maintain this box. So you have to write in this box. Full box. Use the whole box like I am using. I am writing 20 like this. You have to know 2. Then 1, 0. I have maintained the box. Okay, you have to write in full box. Then 2, 1, 21. Then 2, 2, 22. Then 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 4, 24. After 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25. Then 2, 6, 26. Then you have to write 2, 7, 27. While you are writing, you should say and write. While you are writing in your copy, you will say and write. That big practice of writing also and practice of saying also. Okay. After 27, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8. What is 2, 8? 28. Then 2, 9. 29. 2, 9, 29. Then 3, 0, 30. Okay. Okay, children, I want to say something. After 30, I will make you say up to 50. You know very well how to say also. Now you have to write the things. Whenever you are writing in your copy, you will write the number and say. Like 2020, 2121, 2222, 2323, 2424, 2525, 2626, 2727, 2828, 2929, 30. Like this you will say and write. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.